everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will make an interesting activity, that is hand fan. Okay, now for this hand fan we want 2 A4 sheets, 1, 2 A4 sheets and 2 ice cream sticks and 1 glue. For this activity, now take 1 A4 sheet and then fold it. See how I am folding it? Just fold it, press it with your finger and turn that back, and again you have to press it. Just see, I am pressing with my fingers. Again front. Now again fold it. Yes. Turn back, fold it and press it. Turn front, fold it, press it. Turn back, fold it, press it. Again, same with front, back, front, back. You have to press it and then fold it. Okay, now make it into half with your fingers. You have to press it with your fingers and apply some glue here. Take your glue and you have to apply some glue here. Okay, now then you have to press it. Okay, now keep it aside. Then take another A4 sheet. Then with the same you have to do with this A4 sheet also. Just first fold it and then turn back and again fold it and press it. Fold it, turn back, fold it and press it. Front, back, front, back. You have to fold it and press it. Okay. Then, okay, now with your fingers you have to just make it into half. Just half, no? Then take a glue and apply some glue like this, and then you have to press it. Okay. Take the first one and now apply some glue here. Okay, now see, apply some glue here and fix it. Okay, and stick them both. Okay, now take the ice cream stick. Take one ice cream stick and apply some glue here and stick the ice cream stick. Same with this side also. Apply some glue here and stick it. Yes. Now let the gum dry for few minutes. Okay. Now after that, with the help of these ice cream sticks, rotate it. Okay, and here is our beautiful hand fans. Okay, everyone, do the activity and enjoy the day, and I will see you in the next video.